Replacing the spray tank with the spreader tank. If it's a centrifugal spray nozzle, unscrew the 2 adapter plugs of the centrifugal spray nozzle. Unscrew the adapter plug of the water pump. If it's a high-pressure spray nozzle, simply unscrew the adapter plug of the water pump. Disconnect the adapter plug from the number 12 air hose connected to the spray tank. Remove this hose from the bottom. Remove and place the spray tank properly. Disconnect the black quick plug. Secure the flow meter with zip ties on the landing gear. Position the opening of the spreader tank corresponds to the front of the drone. Align the 3 grooves on the spread disc with the 3 grooves on the bottom cover of the spreader tank. Tighten all connections. Then plug in the quick connector. Connect the 2 plugs to the spread disc. One large plug corresponds to the plug on the drone. The other plug corresponds to the material breaker on the tank. Securely plug in the small plug corresponding to the material breaker. Secure the wiring harness to the landing gear. After securing, it should look like this. Turn on the remote control. Power on the drone. Test the spreader.
Voltaje 530, altura 03, velocidad 00.
Press the C key to start the spread disc. Then press the F key to open the cabin door. The replacement of the sprayer with the spreader is complete.